Hello students, next we will start exercise 4.2 of chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. So in this exercise we have to find the solution of linear equations in two variables. Okay students? So first question is, which one of the following is true and why? So there is equation given, and in this equation there are two variables x and y. So it is linear equation in two variables. So they ask which one of the following is true. So there are three options given. First option is unique solution, second one is only two solution, and third one is infinitely many solution. So unique means what? It is unique means different, or you can say only one. Second part is only two solution, and third one is infinitely many. Many means so many, more than one. Clear students? So which one of the following is true and why? So equation is y is equal to 3x plus 5. So how can you find it? So first you have to put the value of x. You have to check that what is the value of y. Suppose put x equal to 1. Then what is y? Here x is 1 plus 5. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 5 how much? It is 8. So our first solution is 1 and 8. You always know that first value is the value of x and second value is the value of y. You can write here first value of x and second value of y. So first solution is 1, 8. If you can put other value like 3, x equal to 3, then what is y? 3 multiplied 3 plus 5, 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 5, 14. Therefore, other solution is 3, 14. In this way, you can take negative value. Suppose you have to take negative value minus 1. You take minus 1. Then what is y? 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5. How much? It is 2. Therefore, value of y is 2. Solution is minus 1, 2. So you can see here, there are so many values. So what is the reason? For every value of x, there is unique value of y. ये मतलब है ना कि x की हर एक वैल्यू दे दी, y की एक यूनिक वैल्यू आ रही है, डिफरेंट वैल्यू आ रही है. अगर तुम x में पुट कर 1, then y is 8. If you have to put x 3, then y is 14. If you put x minus 1, then y is 2. इसका मतलब कि x की हर एक वैल्यू दे दी, y की डिफरेंट वैल्यू आ रही है. ठीक है? सो इसका आंसर क्या है? इनफाइनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशन. तो उससे बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशन फाइंड कर सकते हो. You can find so many. You have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So many solutions. So our answer is option number 3rd. Clear students? If the equation is in one variable, only one variable, suppose equation is x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is linear equation in one variable. Then there is only one solution, not so many. Clear students? There is only one solution, which is minus 5. Clear? So this is your first question. Next, question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. Write 4 solutions, or you can say 4 zeros or values. Clear? So there is given linear equation in two variables. So we have to find the 4 solutions of this equation. 4 solutions, and the 4 solutions are anyone. ये नहीं कि तुझे fix नहीं find करने हैं, कोई भी find कर सकते हो. ठीक है? You have to take any value of x, and then you have to find the corresponding value of y. Clear? So you have to find starting from x0, then you have to put x1, x2 and x3. You can also take negative value, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, like this one. Okay? I'll take 4 values. First one is 0, second one x equal to 1, third one is 2, and last one is 4. So when you have to put x0, then what is the corresponding value of y? 2 value of x0 plus y is equal to 7. Now 2 zeros are 0. So what is left here? Y. So value of y is 7. Clear students? Next, when we put x equal to 1, then the corresponding value of y is 2 into value of x is 1, value of x is here 1, plus y is equal to 7. 2 ones are 2 plus y is equal to 7. और y is equal to what? 2 reject minus हो जाएगा, 7 minus 2, it is 5. So value of y is 5. When we put x equal to 2, then y is 2 2s are 4, और y is equal to what? 7 minus 4, 3. Y is 3. When we put x equal to 3, then y is 2 3s are 6, and y is equal to 7 minus 6, 1. And you always know that the solutions are written in the open brackets. तो सी हमेशा solutions को open brackets में लिखो, ठीक है? So first solution is, first you can write value of x, then value of y. तो सी first value हमेशा x की लिखोगे और second value y की, ठीक है? So first value of x is here 0, and corresponding value of y is 7. Second solution is 1, value of y 5. So it is 1 5. Next solution is 2 3, and the last solution is 3 1. So these are the 4 solutions of this linear equation. Okay students. Now next second and third part of this question number second is your homework. In second question there is pi. So ठीक है, तुसी pi की वैल्यू पुट नहीं करनी, तुसी सॉल्यूशन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ pi ही रखोगे. क्लियर? प्रोडक्ट आंसर pi ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਹੋਊਗਾ. तुसी pi की वैल्यू पुट नहीं करनी है, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ 22/7 or 3.14. You don't need to put it. Clear? Your answer is in pi. Thank you.